If we're heading to Walmart, then you should know it's time for an exclusive snack. Today we're trying D'Amelio popcorn. We got cotton candy and Parmesan garlic. I also picked up the Jonas Brothers popcorn. To be honest, I had no idea what to expect. I didn't even know they were making a popcorn brand. We decided to take the popcorn home and give it a little taste test. The first flavor we tried was cotton candy. This flavor had a picture of Charlie and Dixie on the back, so I'm guessing this flavor was their idea. I was wondering why this popcorn wasn't pink, but then I read on the back that it has no artificial flavor, so then it kind of made sense. To be honest, I thought this popcorn would have more flavor than it did, so I was kind of shocked, and I think Gerald was too. So next we tried Parmesan garlic, and this one had a picture of their dad on the back. I actually like this one better, but Gerald didn't really like it because it had too much garlic, but then he ended up eating the whole bag, so I guess he really did like it at the end.